Hey, Steve here. I want to show you how to place trades at Nadex.com for binary options. So I'm at Nadex.com, I'm logged into my account, we're going to trade binary options, and we're just going to do a buy trade in this video for Nadex. But what I'm going to show you is the binary options for Forex, and again this can be done with indices or commodities as well. But if you go log into your Nadex account, over here you have Forex binaries. If you click on that, then I think it's 7 different currency pairs pop up. We're going to look at the Euro US dollar, and again you can trade on an hourly or so basis. This one closes at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. This is a daily chart or a daily trade, and this is a weekly. We're going to focus on the daily one. Now, Nadex, how Nadex works, unlike some of the overseas unregulated binary options brokers, how Nadex works is you're buying a contract. So every contract is either going to expire at $100 or $0. So, for example, for the daily Euro US dollar, it expires at 3 o'clock. So it's either going to expire at 3 o'clock at $0, the contract is going to be worth $0 because it's out of the money, or it's in the money and it'll be worth $100. And you're basically buying contracts, so you can buy one contract or you can buy 200 contracts if you wanted to. But with that in mind, since everything is going to close at either 0 or 100, in order to find the one that's closest to where the actual market is trading right now, you want to find the one that's roughly at $50. So if I scroll down, I look, I see the Euro US dollar greater than 123.80 at 3 o'clock for August 6th. I scroll all the way over to the offer side, which is if I actually wanted to buy it. It's at $53. So if I wanted this particular trade, I would pay $53. So I'm going to click on it, and a screen will pop up here that says Euro US dollar that you think it's going to be greater than 123.80 at 3 o'clock on August 6th, and then they give you the underlying or the actual price of where the Euro US dollar is currently, and you can see it's at 123.79.80. It keeps bouncing around back and forth. So at this point, that's basically right at where the market is. I could pay $52 for this particular trade, and which would mean I would make $48 profit if I won the trade. So in that case, I would be making $48 or 92% on my money if this particular trade happened. Now it finishes below 123.80, then I would lose the trade, and the trade would expire at 0. But so let's say I wanted to buy, so I'd click on the buy direction here. All orders at Nadex are limit orders, and this is actually a lot better than the overseas binary options brokers because, as you can see, the market continues to change. So this is going to continue to change until 3 o'clock. So you know, if on this buy trade the Euro US dollar really took off, and you know, it was trading at say 124, the price would be much higher. So the price might be $60 or $70, and I could sell that position then if I wanted to, or I could wait until 3 o'clock. Unlike the other overseas binary options brokers, you can't sell early in most cases. So the next thing I would do is, for size, you can put minimum is 1, and then for price, if you just click on the plus or the up or down arrow, it'll automatically fill you in at the price that is current to the bid. So you just hit place order and you would own the trade, but it'll say here maximum profit that you could make in this case is $48.50, and the maximum loss is $51.50. So this maximum loss is what you really want to look at as far as how much they're going to take out of your account. So if I had 4 contracts, it's going to say $206. If I had one contract, it's down to $51.50. So you can see these prices are continuing to move. The euro US dollar is continuing to move, and go from there. But they're all limit orders. So if you wanted to put a limit order in at 45 and you're only willing to buy it if the contract, remember the contract itself we're buying, if the contract came down to $45, then you would own it. And you can see the maximum profit and maximum loss there as well. So what I normally do is basically when I'm trading, they're all limit orders, but I'm basically entering the market wherever it is. So in this case, if I wanted to enter it right now, I would click place order and own the contract. It's very quick as far as their fills. So I'm going to go ahead and place it, and then I'm going to show you how to exit a trade as well. So again, euro US dollar 123.80. Thinking it's going to be higher than 123.80 at 3 o'clock. And I'd click on the blue offer thing here. It'll tell me what the underlying price is, which is 123.79. It's priced at $51.50. I want a size of 1. Tells me my max profit, max loss, etc. Place order. Order received. And then let me scroll down, and you can see it's in my open positions already. So this is a trade I already own. I purchased it at $51, euro US dollar greater than 123.80. If I want to sell this position, get out of it at any time, I can just click on my open positions. It's going to automatically tell me the direction of sell since I already own it. And I can put my price in here. Again, it's a limit order, and hit the order. And since the market moved a little bit, you can see my order right there at 44.50, and we'll see if it gets filled or not. It's a little bit above the market right now, but we'll see if I get filled. Bam, I just got filled. And as if I scroll down to the open position, you can see that I no longer own that position. So Nadex, they do work on a commission basis rather than hoping that a whole bunch of people lose their money. So Nadex takes I think it's 90 cents or $1 for every trade that you place. On a winning trade, they'll take, in other words, on your entry, they'll take $1 for every contract. When you exit, they'll take $1. If the trade expires at 0, they will not charge you a commission. So that is how to buy at Nadex, and I will have a video as well here on YouTube where you can see me place an actual sell trade on Nadex as well. It is a little different, but as you can see with Nadex, it's a different kind of animal since you're buying the contracts instead of just buying the price point. But the profit is much greater, as you've seen in this particular video. I think I entered maybe 1 pip out of the money, but my payout was 50 or 92% or something like that, versus at a overseas binary option company it might be 75% or something. So the percentage of payouts are much better. It's regulated if you can do it here in the US. IG Index is a kind of a sister company with Nadex for overseas players. But check it out and see if this is interesting to you, but hopefully this video helps. Take care.